Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about Enbridge, which is a very important company, a very important stock to have in your portfolio because of its passive income and its high dividend yield. I think in order to build wealth over time, you need to have shares and stocks that will continue to produce for you a passive revenue stream, and that is what Enbridge offers. So before we get into the numbers, I just want to talk to you about what exactly Enbridge does. Enbridge is an energy transportation and distribution company. The company operates through 5 business segments: liquids pipelines, gas distribution and storage, gas transmission, and midstream and renewable power generation. Basically, Enbridge is the largest North American oil infrastructure company in North America. Enbridge's assets are irreplaceable. They're very difficult to build, and new pipelines are usually not allowed in current environment because of ESG issues or environmental protesters. The company moves approximately 30% of the oil produced in Canada and in the United States, and has expanded into oil exports through its $3 billion acquisition of an export terminal in Texas. On the natural gas side, Enbridge's regulated natural gas utilities in Canada generate reliable revenue and supply millions of homes and businesses with essential fuel. Now, let's get into the numbers. In Q2 of 2023, the adjusted earnings was about $1.4 billion, or about 68 cents per share. The trailing 12-month dividend yield is about 7.6%. Inflation at the time of recording is about 3.3% in Canada. You can essentially double your investment return, or double the rate of inflation, if you were to invest in Enbridge at current stock price on the TSX. Really, the dividend of 7.6% is very important, because where else are you going to find this type of return on such a huge company that has assets that cannot be replicated? Essentially, your investment is safe, and you will have a passive cash flow for at least 4 quarters in a year, every 3 months. So I would urge all long-term investors to really look at this company for their investment. The other thing I want to mention about Enbridge is that it is known as a dividend aristocrat. For the last 25 years, it has continued to increase its dividend every year, even during the COVID years, where essentially all businesses took a huge hit. Enbridge did not cut its dividend. It continued to increase its dividend in the range of 3 to 5%, even on those down years. So that is something that should be looked at and examined by potential investors, because even when things are very difficult, when oil demand was low, when the business environment was very, very hard on all corporations, Enbridge did not place a hit on its shareholders. It continued to offer its dividends during those difficult times. So that's what you really want as a long-term investment. When you're looking at things, you want a reliable, safe company that will look after its shareholders. And I believe Enbridge does that. It's one of the few dividend companies that is a must-have in every portfolio. So I definitely have it in mind, and I just wanted to pass along this information to all of you watching. Thank you. Leave a comment, and I'll see you next time.